Kauri Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Kauri Wallet app brands itself as the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain innovation. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's explore the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, the Kauri Wallet stands out for its multi-currency flexibility. It supports both cryptocurrencies and fiat transactions, letting users move between the two worlds seamlessly. This is especially useful for users who want to manage daily spending and crypto investments all in one place. Another big advantage is its built-in ecosystem connection. The wide links to the Kauri project, a platform focused on tokenized investments and community-driven ventures. That means you can access blockchain-based business opportunities directly through your wallet, not just hold coins. Security is another win for Kauri. It features multi-signature protection and advanced encryption to keep your assets safe, whether you're transferring tokens or storing them long-term. Now, let's look at the cons. The biggest drawback is limited availability. The Kauri wallet is still relatively new and not yet widely supported by major exchanges or networks. That limits its utility for users who trade frequently. Another issue is complexity for beginners. While the app's ecosystem integration is impressive, it can feel overwhelming for users who only want a simple storage solution. And finally, project dependency. Since the wallet is tied closely to the Kauri ecosystem, its long-term value depends on that project's success. In conclusion, the Kauri Wallet app offers a forward-thinking mix of finance, blockchain, and community features. The surprising truth: it's not just a wallet, it's a gateway into tokenized investing. For users who like innovation and don't mind a bit of learning, Kauri could be a hidden gem.